guys, welcome to another video. We have not been posting the water pump video for a long time, but we've been doing other stuff like hanging out with people. We went for a bike ride earlier today, and yeah, so we've been doing lots of other stuff. We haven't had time to post it, but we're posting right here. How to start and so yeah, that's it, and here's the video.
Hey everybody, here we are, and we are gonna fill the water pump. So, y'all, we are about to start fixing it, and so yeah, here it. This is starting. So, yeah. Yeah. So, let's start. Here it is, and we took off the headlights. Those headlights over here too. And so, yeah, it's going good. So we're gonna, next step is to take off the fan. So, yeah, we'll keep filming once we're gonna do that. Right, Jason? Okay. Okay, here we are. We are trying to take off the fan, and so it's doing pretty good. And so yeah, here we are.
We've got the last bolt coming off here.
So Jason's doing the last bolts.
We already got the radiator support off. So basically the water pump on this thing has been leaking water, so we're gonna put a new water pump in.
Yeah, Jason's right.
Radiator fan off, and then you take the drive belts off, pulleys here, and then the timing belts off.
Yeah, so the water pump's behind all that over right there. So we're gonna take that off, and so then we're gonna put in the new water pump. So it's pretty small. It's like this size. It's not that big. I thought it was much bigger. So, so if you all have something that you gotta fix, your channel is to watch Garage Brothers, and I told you all we will be fixing stuff. More car parts, but we don't have yet any more car parts to fix, so we'll be waiting to make our car parts.
This thing is sometimes hard to get off.
Oh, as you all can see, there are the propellers getting ready. If you all were wondering what those chains are for, do not touch them when the car is on because they are spinning super fast. And those things, they make your battery charge when the car is running and everything. And if that broke, then your battery will die pretty quickly. And yeah, that thing is very helpful. And you guys have one and you don't like it, well, do not take it off. It is not so good for the car to not have one of those.
Like Jason.
And here it is, the fan. It's pretty good. We're gonna try and dust it off a little. And then, and then, yeah, so we're gonna dust it off a little.
Put the on again, it's alright.
Dust it off, and yeah.
Belts off right here.
Okay, we're about to take off the belt.
So what we need to do is we need to take off. We need to loosen the tension, loosen the belt tensioner, which is right here. So to do that, we loosen this bolt, And then loosen the tensioner here. And we also need to loosen the tensioner for this belt, which is under here somewhere. It's right under here. This is the belt that drives the AC compressor, and this is the belt that drives the power steering pump and the alternator.
Jason's right. So yeah, Jason, write that the chain is very important for the car, right?
Yeah, if you don't have, if the chain, if this belt breaks, then you won't have any power steering. The steering will be super hard on the car, and also the alternator won't charge the battery. So the car will die pretty soon.
Exactly. So it's very important to have that.
Wait, where are you guys going?
You don't want to?
Where are you guys going?
We're gonna go to a park. You wanna go, John? With Lila? Lila, Maggie, and
Yeah, I think they want to go.
I'm not going.
Why not? Come on. I think Jason's busy. Come on, guys.
No, we're not.
One of you come.
We're busy.
We have space for.
Okay, again. So we are starting to take off the belt.
All right, I think we got the tension off the belt.
Jason, come on. We need to take this put in the garbage can.
There we go, and the belt just comes right off like that.
Jason, come on. We need to take
And
this
that's
to the
a
garbage can.
cool belt.
The wagon.
These things spin.
Yeah, now what we
Wow.
can do is take this thing off here.
And here it's full with a wire, and that's very like that's very cool inside of it. So yeah, we'll probably
And then this one down
of the
here.
old water pump, we'll probably be opening it up and showing the inside of a water pump, right, Jason?
Right.
Every time we have an old part that we gotta fix, we open it up or fix it, and then it works like a new water pump, right, Jason?
Right.
We fix car parts too, so yeah.
Oh, dude, this is literally not by hand.
That one kind of hard.
Yep,
it's tightened.
on the wheels. Jason, the wheels are running out.
Jason, this
oil.
one's tightened.
Okay, let's loosen that one a little more. Loosen it with
I'm
that.
sorry, guys. So my brothers are, but they're a little noisy. But no, please, no problem. So yeah. So these are the headlights.
Wait. Here's if they run out of the wheel zone.
Okay.
And then
Yep, we got that.
there's the other part.
Now, but then we're
And,
gonna get this part out, right?
Oh yeah.
Got this part out.
So that is another belt.
Well, that's a.
It
that's
holds a
belt
belt.
tensioner.
Chen-
Tensioner.
tensioner. My brothers like to play with those.
I'm here.
Yeah. Well, Jason, tomorrow I need to take the garbage.
Now
can.
we need to take this one off right here. So to do that, let me go down here and loosen this tensioner.
Oh,
Or actually,
that's-
we need to loosen this bolt first.
Oh, this belt you
That one is so tight. Right there. Okay, that's good enough. Now, actually, what we can do is use this thing.
I'm sorry, all of you guys over there.
Now this one's.
That we did not do the water pump on Monday, but we're doing it today because Monday I needed to do a lot of other work. Yeah.
And also
so,
the garage was closed on Monday, right?
yeah, so we couldn't do anything. Yesterday we were just doing some outside stuff, And yesterday, we had lots of fun. Not so much fun because, right, Jason? We were pretty bored without being inside the garage.
Yeah.
So y'all, there, Jason is taking off the
This is the AC belt.
AC belt.
Let's see if it comes off. No, gotta loosen it a little more.
Oh, there my dad goes to drop something off out there. And my dad goes to drop Sophia off. Bye, Sophia! Bye!
Hi. Alright.
My dad's going to drop Sophia. Oh, Jason, like in 3 days we need to go to Sophia's lunch place, Sophia. Jason.
Uh-huh.
Whew, that's tightened so well, right, Jason? I'll move the wagon away so you can get your car out here, okay, Jason? And get the water pump on, okay, Jason?
Okay.
You don't have any.
Michael, your hands are gonna literally get black.
Alright. Got the belt
So
off.
we got another belt off.
Put it with the other one there.
Now
You need to take this big thing off here, which is kind of hard because
the
you need a special
big
tool.
one right there. We're gonna take it off, and you need.
So what we'll do is
special
we'll be
tool.
back in a second to show you.
Yep, that's right. Okay,
Well, I did it to
everybody.
replace my timing belt before and
Okay.
a few other.
So we are back, and we are kind of taking the belt off.
Okay, so where's that toolkit, John? Here, I'll show you how this works. This is a harmonic balancer puller.
Harmonic?
Harmonic balancer, that's what they call this thing. That big pulley.
So that it spins evenly,
Yeah. Yeah.
balanced. Yeah, if you have a wobbly one, that's not so good.
Put this in here. And then we gotta put one of these inside the bolt hole. Might be this one. I don't know, let's see. So this thing is supposed to grab onto it and pull it out because it's on there super tight.
Whoa! Whoa! Dude, that's impossible. These things are pretty easy to do.
So what I need is I need to get a big wrench. Maybe this thing will do it. Let me see.
Mama, my hand got black because I was working. What? This part got black, but now how come it's not?
So. Just do this. You keep turning it, and it'll pull this thing will pull right off.
Okay, we'll keep on filming once this is all done. Okay, we took off that brace, and so we're gonna keep on
So we don't need this pull anymore.
probably taking off some more.
So then we gotta take all these little ones off.
Can I go to
And we'll keep on filming. Okay, everybody, so we are about to turn on the engine, so you will be able to see how it spins, the inside of the engine. So we took off this whole cover,
I'll tell you if
and
it
then was
leaks.
the next layer of the
Jason,
belt.
I'll tell you if it
So,
leaks, okay?
Yeah. We're just gonna find where it's leaking.
Oh, John's here. Don't
What?
go.
Here, everybody
I'm not
stand back.
going
'Cause-
under.
stand back because you can turn the engine on. Close your eyes. Woo! Look at that. Moving.
No leak under. Let me look on my screen. I just saw a drop, Jason.
Oh, drop.
Drop.
Yeah, it's stop. The drop stop.
Oh yeah, I see it. It's leaking.
What?
I see something leaking right in here. Yeah, it's leaking from the water pump. So you know that's that.
Okay. That's it for right
Take,
now. Okay.
you gotta loosen the timing belt to get the water pump out.
That's right. We're draining all the water out into the into the barrel. So
It
yeah.
makes the valves open at the right time. So these things, these things are hooked up to the camshaft, which opens and closes all the valves at the right time for each cylinder.
Don't touch it,
So
Joe.
what we gotta do is we gotta line the marks up here. Here's how we do that. We get a ratchet.
Henry.
Between, there should be two. Should be two marks somewhere. Oh, between these two marks.
Oh yeah.
So what I do is just turn it. Yeah, until the, right there. Right. There's the mark. Okay. Okay, right there, just like that. Yep. Maybe
Thank
back
you,
a
excuse me.
tiny bit.
Joe, no. Henry, are you filming the whole thing?
And then this one here should be aligned. See, there's an arrow there, and there's a notch right there. So those things need to be aligned, which they are.
We
then for-
found the leak.
To make things easier, so the timing belt will just come on. Sometimes it's hard when the timing belt comes off. It's hard to get it aligned. So I'll just jam something in here underneath this part, so the belt doesn't come off right there. I'll just jam a rag under there.
You had to jam the rag.
Yep. Just jam the rag right there, and then I'll jam something in there. Or maybe I can just jam. Oh, jam it.
Jam. Jam. Jam the rag right there.
I'll jam the rag in here.
Jam the rag right there. Right? I think there's a lot of help.
And then you can take the.
Oh no.
What happened? Did it come off?
No.
Or where did it fall? Oh. We'll go and get the timing belt off. So this thing's held on by 2 bolts right here. Well, I want to take them all the way off. That one and this one right here.
Jason, one more drop of the weight.
No, Joe, no, no, no.
And that one. So you know those 2 go in between the mark. Take it off here.
There's a bunch more water coming out. Jason,
Then maybe I'll mark this one too, just in case it falls off. Alright.
So right there where we marked it, that's where we know where to put the belt, the second belt around again. So, yeah. So, okay, so I'm about to undo
You got a new shoe?
5,
so
6.
That's the same shoe.
Jason, I want to use it.
You're tricking me. I know it's the same shoe. He's tricking me.
Jason, when can I ever film?
getting a little hard because... So the water pump is ready to come out.
See all the water coming out of there? Oh, ooh, there's one more bolt up here.
Oh, it's
I
coming
forgot.
out. Water's coming out crazy. It's not going into the bucket.
It's not?
Yeah, Jason. Look.
Well, I can't get it all. Okay.
I'll go change your diaper and you can come back.
Look at it.
All right, here it is.
Nice.
The old water pump
Wait,
that was
from the
leaking.
part.
Oh, Jason, look. There's water in it. Right there.
Yeah.
So we should get that out. Right? After we get it
And
out.
so there it is. So now we're gonna be putting in the brand new water pump and then putting it in, and then putting in all the parts again, which I don't think we're gonna film that. We filmed undoing it, and so you can all remember undoing it and putting it back in.
Jason, now let's just drop.
Okay, we're about to put in the new water pump. There's a lot of water right there.
We have the water
So,
pump
yeah.
now.
It's this way.
We have the water.
And this right here is the brand new water pump. It is brand new. So I'll put that in.
I see the bucket, Jason. Look, I can see the bucket from here, Jason. Jason, we should get all that water out of there.
I'm just gonna scrape that with the razor blade.
With a razor blade?
Yeah.
We're gonna use a razor blade
Oh,
to strip everything like
thing is
off
sharp.
of the sides.
Razor blade. There's no more. There's only drops now coming. All we need to get all that water out of it. Jason, look, I can see the bucket. Jason, all we need to do, Jason, now we need to get that water out of there. Then you'll go into a bucket and then.
Okay. That water we can leave in there. That's okay.
But
Here's where we'll leave it. I guess there's going to be another leak, Jason.
this thing does
Yeah,
fill
but
out.
look, you left that water in.
Put it with a fan in the wagon.
Here's a new water pump.
Okay, Michael, get the new water pump out.
Jason, but then...
Oh, Michael's doing it.
Oh, this part.
And we'll be filming another video later on of fixing the old water
need this.
pump.
So we need to put the, see this? This is the gasket that goes right in here.
Whoa. I'm going to put it.
And so here's what we do.
Yeah, there we go.
We will,
I guess there's going to be another leak because you left that water in, Jason. You should take that water out so there's no more leak.
no, the water's fine.
There's not a water pump.
What I'll do is I'll dry it off.
There's not a water pump, Jason. There's not a water pump, Jason.
The old one?
Yeah,
I don't know, where's the old one?
Right here.
Okay, we're gonna put the new one on.
Your hands are gonna get far. Jason! And you put it all the way down there. Now we're gonna need to tighten. No, Michael, we don't need to have it like that. We can have it open. There we go. Then. Our hands are black, right, Jason?
Alright.
Alright, so everybody, thanks for watching, and so this is, so after we'll make another video of fixing the old water pump, and so thanks for watching, how to fix a water pump. So, next video, we'll see you all at fixing a water pump, or always another video. So we are gone. Well, hey guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. And so if you have a water pump to replace, just remember it's called Garage Brothers. It's like in the middle of Garage Brothers. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up, and we're gone.